the other side is done. Man, that was fun. I like my hair. Yeah, this is the aftermath. But I'll bring you guys around so you can see. She is on. All brand new, everything. The only thing I'm worried about is putting the wheel on with these studs. I guess we'll find out, won't we? And I'm gonna probably end up blowing this out with the blower just to kind of get it, all the loose junk off of it, you know. So guys, both sides are done. I guess I'll put the wheel on there so you guys can kind of see what wheels I'm running. Not that they're new or anything, but I don't think I've ever showed what they are on the channel. So let me put this camera down and put a wheel on there so you guys can see what we rolling on. There it is, guys. What do you think? I think it looks pretty dope. Of course, there's no calipers or rotor. I'm not gonna put any of that on till it's time to like put the brake lines on and bleed them and all that good stuff, which that'll be after it gets washed and quite a few other things, because I don't need to have it on there right now. So it ain't gonna go on there. So when I do put it on, it'll be nice and fresh. But I will have another video coming showing all the parts I have, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I need. So, and I have a hard time sometimes just getting what I need, because, you know, as a car guy, you're never satisfied. I mean, you might get it to a certain point and then you see something online and you're like, God, maybe I should have went 6-piston instead of 4-piston, you know. So I always find myself in that dilemma. I'm like never happy. I'm always wanting to push the envelope, wanting to get it higher than it should be. But this car is going to be light years better than it's ever been in its life. So in its 7 owner life. So anyhow, guys, now I'm done. Now, next time you see it, it'll be outside, like I said. So until that time, I will see you guys next time. Stay tuned, guys.